Good afternoon. Happy Tuesday. We got another banger here from Chillie Small D DeCastro. He has a couple screenshots from Benjamin J. Wish, who is now representing Kate, I believe. He says, "This guy is Benjamin Wish. It's a matter of, excuse me, excuse me.
This guy is Benjamin Wish. It's a matter of public record that he's representing people I'm suing. His pronouns are he, him, his. Please find out every detail about his professional life, where he went to school, what he studied the most, how he did in school, how long has he been an attorney, what is his rate, how much do they charge. Maybe I should call there as a potential client and see what they charge. We know the person who I'm suing is a POS, a total POS. Let's find out everything about this guy."
Anyway, because Chillie's so freaking incompetent, Benjamin J. Wish is an active attorney in the Massachusetts State Bar. He has malpractice insurance. His location is in Boston, and he has never been disciplined, at least not publicly. He went to school at Boston College School of Law, where he got a JD cum laude, and he got a Bachelor of Arts from Bates College, again, cum laude. And Chillie, that doesn't mean what you think it means. Just because you got paid to come loudly doesn't mean that that's what he's been doing. Benjamin J. Wish is a partner at Todd & Weld LLP. Where it concentrates on complex commercial litigation, shareholder and real estate disputes, and white-collar criminal defense, handling a wide range of matters in state and federal trial and appellate courts. Mr. Wish also represents clients on a pro bono basis in defense of their First Amendment rights. He was chosen a 2021 Lawyer of the Year by Massachusetts Lawyers Weekly for his work in securing a $30 million settlement on behalf of a Massachusetts-based auto executive resolving a lawsuit against various defendants for breach of contract and other claims. Some of Mr. Wish's most recent and notable successes includes, in what is believed to be the largest 2021 settlement in Massachusetts, the $30 million settlement, on behalf of an auto dealership, successfully resolved a dispute with an auto manufacturer, obtained a preliminary injunction on behalf of a business owner requiring a co-owner not to make any decisions regarding the business without his client's consent, obtained a summary judgment for business owners establishing that, contrary to claims of plaintiffs, their new venture did not require further approval by a commission overseeing local zoning boards. Following a 4-day bench trial, obtained a judgment requiring the sale of a Dunkin' Donuts franchise location to his clients. Won a jury trial in Massachusetts Superior Court on behalf of a real estate development company defending against a former employee's claim for millions of dollars of company profits. In appellate practice, he obtained a ruling from the First Circuit Court of Appeals reversing an order finding the guarantor on a commercial real estate loan liable under an indemnity agreement. He also secured affirmation by the Massachusetts Appeals Court of a trial court's ruling ordering the sale of a business. In criminal defense, he successfully defended a pain medicine physician at a trial in federal court against criminal charges that he violated federal drug distribution laws, resulting in the jury acquitting the physician on all charges. He resolved charges against physician accused of criminal drug distribution for the prescription of opioids to chronic pain patients without any prison sentence. He secured complete dismissal of criminal charges of mail fraud, false ERISA statements, and other charges brought in federal court against small business owners amounting to $2 million in alleged but unproven harm. On the civil rights front, as cooperating counsel for the ACLU, persuaded a Massachusetts Superior Court judge to strike as violative of constitutional free speech rights the challenged portions of a school committee's policy on public participation in its meetings. As cooperating counsel for the ACLU, obtained on a pro bono basis a temporary restraining order allowing Occupy Boston protesters to remain encamped in Dewey Square in Boston under the First Amendment. Won a judgment at trial before the U.S. District Court for the District of Massachusetts, including attorney's fees and punitive damages, for a businessman whose confidential and largely false criminal record information was published and disseminated publicly, including expunged records that were decades old. He has worked for Todd & Weld from 2011 to the present. He worked for Goodwin & Procter from 2008 to 2011, and he was a lecturer in law at Boston College in 2008. He's a member of the Boston Bar Association, the Massachusetts Bar Association, and he is an ACLU Amicus Committee member. He has these publications, he has these awards, and he has these charitable and civic involvements. So does that answer all of your questions? Oh yes, regarding the person that he is defending being a POS. You know, Chillie, in our legal system, attorneys are hired to represent POSs all the time. If you, for example, got arrested for, I don't know, carrying a firearm that you purchased illegally and transporting it across state lines and having it in violation of, let's just say, a California domestic violence restraining order, you know, if you got arrested for those things and charged for them, you would be given an attorney to defend you because people need to have access to representation. See, Kate is smarter than you. She knows what she doesn't know. She knows that she's not an attorney. She knows that she doesn't know the law, and so she hired what appears to be a very good attorney to represent her, to whoop your ass. Enjoy what's coming. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.